Hello, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Today we're going to look at factorising and the power that patterns give us when it comes to that. Now I go on and on and on about maths being to do with patterns, but this is the point at which it becomes really evident. So we have ourselves a cubic here, x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 20. This could be a quartic, it could be a quadratic. I chose this because in a later video I'm going to employ the same technique to not only factorize something like this, but then to go ahead and graph it. So let's get into this. When you've been dealing with factorizing quadratics, you may have come across factorizing by grouping. And that's what we're going to do here. So let's have a look. This cubic breaks into a couple of patterns. What you might be able to see, actually if I put a coefficient of 1 there, it becomes more obvious. If we take out a common factor here of x squared and put it there, what we're left with is x minus 5, 1x minus 5. That's that. We can do the same here. Take out the common factor, which is 4, and we're left with x minus 5. Now this is just one of the many ways in which you can sort of speedily crack something that looks pretty daunting. It's just one of the many techniques that you employ, and the key to every single one of them is being able to recognize what you're dealing with, to see if there's something that fits one of the regular and recognized patterns. Anyway, this can be resolved pretty quickly. As you might know from factorizing by grouping, when you were dealing with quadratics, we put the x squared and the 4 together, and the x minus 5, and that is this cubic factorized. If you were to go on and graph this thing, there are two things that you know immediately. The y-intercept is negative 20, and there is an x-intercept, as in the line of this graph goes through the x-axis at x plus 5. It's unlikely that this thing certainly doesn't go through the y-axis. It may, the x-axis. It may not sit anywhere near it, but that might just take a little bit more explaining than is necessary in this video. All we're looking for here is the pattern. Recognize this, and suddenly this becomes a very easy thing to do. Thanks for watching. See you later.